here we've got an influencer score. So is that ranking influencers based on their legitimacy, on their track record? We've got a description right there.
Yeah, so you are right that it's a little difficult to, say with certainty, is this influencer legit or not? But what we can measure very directly is impact. So what this score represents is the level of influence that the influencer has, right? So do they have the ability to drive narrative? Do they get a ton of organic engagement? Do they make like a real impact when it comes to overall Web3 sentiment and community sentiment, right? So those are all very measurable things that we can analyze. And if you go into the profile itself, it breaks out what the overall score is a metric of. So it's really three things: engagement, content, and network. Analyzing all three of those areas in real time, and then aggregating that to create like an overall score. And how this differentiates, other influencer leaderboards is we're able to understand like the real-time impact of an influencer and stack that against each other, so that which influencers are actually making movements, like actually legitimate, actually producing high quality content that gets real engagement. They don't have like a ton of bot followers. So I think all those metrics really kind of distilling the noise and then aggregating their overall impact is quite important for a lot of different reasons.